Hello and welcome back to another video with Quark-Elec. Today we're looking at how to connect via Wi-Fi to OpenCPN to be able to view AIS targets and GPS information. In this case, using our A053T portable Class B transponder. As we are using the A053T as an AIS receiver in this video, we do not need to have the vessel information relating to its transponder function configured. With the A053T turned on, we can then connect to its Wi-Fi network using the SSID and password found in the user manual. When connected to its network, launch OpenCPN. We then need to establish the connection within the program. Click the Options cog, then head to the Connections tab, and then add a new connection. Here, you can set up either a serial connection or network. For this video, we are using network. For this connection, we are only needing to change two settings. The rest can remain unchanged from their default values. For IP address, we can enter 192.168.4.1 and port to 2000. These values can be found in page 16 of the user manual. Once done, click OK, then apply and OK again. You will now see the AIS targets and GPS information appear. As always, stay safe and happy sailing.